Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To recognize or read text from an image in Python, we can use the tesseract OCR, optical character recognition, engine. Tesseract is an open-source OCR engine maintained by Google. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install the necessary libraries, load an image, and extract text from the image using tesseract in a Python environment. Here are the steps to recognize text from an image in Python using tesseract. ####. Step 1. Install tesseract OCR and pytesseract library. First, you need to install tesseract OCR engine and the pytesseract library. You can install tesseract OCR by downloading it from the official website, https://github.com/tesseract-ocr/tesseract. You can install the pytesseract library using pip. ####. Step 2. Import necessary libraries. ####. Step 3. Load the image. ###. Step 4. Use pytesseract to extract text from the image. ####. Full code example. Here is the complete code that reads text from an image using tesseract OCR in Python. Make sure to replace image.jpg with the path to your own image file. ####. Tesseract OCR may not work perfectly with all types of images. Pre-processing the image, example resizing, filtering, and converting to grayscale, may improve the accuracy of text extraction. Ensure that tesseract OCR is properly installed on your system and the pytesseract library is accessible in your Python environment. By following these steps and the provided code example, you can recognize and extract text from images in Python using tesseract OCR.